Imagine this, you stand in one spot for just a single day and walk away $2,000 richer. Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the catch. It's not just possible, it's happening. If you're tired of grinding away with little to show for it, this is your golden ticket. Today we're diving into 8 jaw-dropping ways to turn one day of standing into serious cash. These aren't your run-of-the-mill side gigs. They're unique, rare opportunities designed for ambitious individuals like you who are ready to think outside the box. Let's break it down. 1. Professional line sitter for luxury events. Ever heard of people paying others to stand in line for them? This hustle has existed for years, but now it's time to elevate the game by targeting luxury events. Think exclusive designer drops, restaurant openings, or VIP concert tickets. These events attract high-net-worth individuals willing to pay a premium for convenience. You can charge $200 per hour, and if you commit to a 10-hour gig, you've hit the $2,000 mark, potential profit $2,000 per day. Pro tip: upsell your service by offering live updates, refreshments, or even live streaming the experience for your client. This personalized touch can justify premium pricing. 2. Human billboard for high-traffic areas. Advertising is all about visibility, and businesses are always on the lookout for creative ways to promote their brands. By becoming a human billboard, you can stand in high-traffic areas with custom signage or branded clothing. Rates can range from $150 to $250 per hour. Potential profit: $1,500 to $2,500 per day. Pro tip: partner with local businesses during large-scale events or festivals to maximize exposure and boost your earnings. Consider creative add-ons like handing out branded freebies. 3. Living statue performer. You've seen them in tourist hotspots, but living statues aren't just for street corners. These performers are increasingly popular at private events, weddings, and corporate parties. Customize your costume to match the theme, and you could charge up to $300 an hour. Add a gimmick, like blowing glitter or striking a fun pose when tipped, to up your earnings. Potential profit: $1,500 to $2,500 per event. Pro tip: invest in striking costumes and practice staying still for long periods. The more polished your performance, the more you can charge. 4. Immersive brand ambassador. Brands looking to create buzz often hire interactive ambassadors. As one, you could stand in busy areas to distribute samples or demonstrate products. High-end brands and tech companies value personal engagement, so rates can soar to $250 per hour. Potential profit: $2,000 per event. Pro tip: make yourself indispensable by learning about the product or service in depth. Companies will pay more for knowledgeable ambassadors who can answer questions and connect with potential customers. 5. Event space standing desk rentals. This idea is a game changer for conferences and expos. Attendees often look for ergonomic solutions to stay productive while standing all day. By renting out standing desks at $50 to $100 each, you can easily hit your target by providing 20 desks. Potential profit: $1,000 to $3,000 per day. Pro tip: focus on events where attendees value health and productivity, like tech or wellness expos. Add-ons like charging stations or anti-fatigue mats can increase your profits. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tips and tricks for building your financial freedom. If you're serious about leveling up, check out our exclusive resources and courses linked below. Remember, the world needs your talents, and so does your wallet. 6. Professional protest sign holder. Advocacy groups and political campaigns frequently hire individuals to represent their causes by holding signs. This job can pay anywhere from $50 to $200 per hour, depending on the event's visibility and urgency. Potential profit: $1,000 to $2,000 per day. Pro tip: focus on high-profile rallies or campaigns where organizations are willing to pay top dollar for impactful representation. Align yourself with causes you genuinely support for ethical satisfaction. 7. VR booth attendant. Virtual reality booths are major crowd pleasers at malls, expos, and private events. By partnering with VR companies or setting up your own booth, you can charge attendees $10 to $15 per experience. With 200 to 300 visitors in a day, the math works out quickly. Potential profit: $2,000 to $3,000 per day. Pro tip: offer tiered pricing, with premium gear for higher-paying customers. The more immersive the experience, the more people will pay. 8. Custom art demonstrations. Tap into your artistic flair by offering live demonstrations such as calligraphy, caricature drawing, or custom graffiti. Stand in a busy area or set up shop at weddings and corporate events, charging per piece or by the hour. Potential profit, $1,500 to $2,500 per day. Pro tip: market yourself as an experiential artist. People love watching art come to life and are willing to pay extra for the entertainment factor. Why these ideas work. The beauty of these opportunities lies in their simplicity. They require minimal setup, cater to untapped niches, and boast high profit margins. By positioning yourself in the right place with a tailored approach, you can transform a single day into a high-income event. A quick recap: professional line sitter. Target luxury events for premium payouts. Human billboard, stand out literally with creative advertising. Living statue performer, bring your artistic talents to private parties. Immersive brand, ambassador, connect with customers for high-end brands. Event space standing desk rentals, provide ergonomic solutions to conference attendees. Professional protest sign holder, get paid to represent meaningful causes. VR booth attendant, capitalize on the virtual reality craze. Custom art demonstrations, turn your creativity into a profitable spectacle. Ready to start earning? Pick one of these ideas that resonates with you and start putting together a plan. Research your local market, refine your pitch, and don't be afraid to get creative. The opportunities are out there, you just need to grab them. The key to success with these ideas is action. None of these gigs require extraordinary skills, but they all demand effort, creativity, and a willingness to stand, both physically and metaphorically, for what you want to achieve. Whether you're saving up for something special or building your empire, these opportunities can give you a significant financial boost. Thanks for tuning in to Kingdom Cash. As you work toward your goals, always remember to be kind, humble, and generous. Together we're building a better world, one side hustle at a time. See you next time on Kingdom Cash.